Sometimes in the projects that we have landscape, we want to draw some directions or rivers or such as examples in here. The important part is there is in the places that we have curving or changing the directions. In these kinds of examples, actually, we can use a very interesting technique in here. I have just drawn a profile in here. I have opened a line base in here, as you can see in here, and I will load it in the in the environment of line base in here. So now I will select on sweep and then pick pass, click on it, finish, and then we will define the profile in here and then finish it. It's okay up to here. So let me load it inside the project in here that we have, and then I will start to work on the surface that we want. Let me just return inside this environment like this. In here, I will go in here, and I will go for void extrusion. I will click on it. Then the surface that we have in here, and then you see I will draw it in here. You can use the sweep of course in here too, but actually it could make it as a kind of with a normal situation, and because of that I didn't use it. So now actually I will select the void, and I will deactivate the cut out that, and then I will lock it to this point like this. And actually cut with void in loaded will be activated inside the project actually in here, and then I will go in modify part. I will cut it like this. It will be cut in here, but the important part is in curving part. Actually the main and important part of course is in here. Let me actually close this environment, and for the curving, we can use really interesting technique in here. We can use the docked elbow, dock cross, dock T, and such these examples. Let me just select a docked elbow in here, and then I will load this profile in here. So let me go on 3D environment. Actually, it asks me you like to be as a kind of curving or fracture. For example, we'll just select on fracture. Let me select on sweep in here, pick here and here, finish it, and then I will select that profile in here, and again I will finish it, and it will be like this. After this, the category will be changed to generic from here, generic model actually, and now it has really interesting interesting abilities for us. And you can set it in every kind of angle that you like it, and it's really parametric, and then we'll load it inside the project in here, and it will go inside the plan components, and the places that we want in here we can just set it in here like this actually, based on the points that we want in here. For example, about a line, I can just set it in here, and the usage of that is because both of them are generic, they could be joined with each other, and it causes actually you can actually create your project better and nicer. I can select it. I can change the angle of that in here. For example, 90. You see, this is perfect, and it is for drawing. This is really interesting technique in the inside the projects, and you can use them.